अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा पहले वीडियो बना रहे हैं। हम बनाने लगे हैं चिकन बिरयानी और हमारे पास सारा इंग्रेडिएंट्स रेडी है और मेरा लिटिल हेल्पर मेरे साथ है।
Hello.
हाय एवरीवन।
Hi everyone.
तो लेट्स सी बिरयानी कैसा बनता है। तो हमारा ऑयल गरम हो गया है तो हम इसमें थोड़ा सा डालेंगे पहले ऑनियन। इसको हम करेंगे गोल्डन फ्राई पहले। गोल्डन फ्राई तो हम we can make it golden fry first.
This golden fry for
Like the onion is gonna get golden color. So the onions are golden fry. Isaac, can you add some chicken in it?
Yeah, now I add some chicken, okay? And get the chicken.
Put it all inside. Put it all inside. Flip it all over. Yeah.
Now I add the chicken, I'll wash my hands.
Yeah, you can wash your hands. The chicken is cooked. And we're gonna add some shan masala mixed with the water, and we're gonna add inside.
The onion and the chicken is cooked, and now you put some. We'll just follow that. Now we add some spices to the chicken. Now we add some yogurt.
So the chicken is a little bit ready, and we're gonna add some yogurt in it. You can mix it. So
now the chicken is ready. We put water to boil for the rice.
Yes.
And then we almost ready. And then we go put this thing.
Now we leave it for rest first.
Yeah.
And then we can make the rice. And then we can add it in the rice.
In the rice to make color.
Yes. What do you think? How is it looking like?
Nice.
How it smells? Smells great. So the chicken is ready.
Now
we put it on the
side and do the rice. Now we're ready to put the
boiling water
and
we're gonna add some herbs and spices. Bay leaf.
Bay leaf.
Don't need to break it, otherwise it's difficult to take it out. These spices.
The spices. The producer.
All spice. Cloves. And star anise. Let it boil, and then we can add the rice in it.
Now the water is boiling. My dad is going to put the rice in.
So the rice is cooked. Now I will gonna layering up the rice with some chicken. So we can layer up the chicken sauce that we made and some rice, and we can add some coloring. So keep adding the chicken sauce and the last layer of rice and some crispy onions. So we can leave the rice close for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and then we can see how it comes out.